This video will show you how to record or download live streaming videos from Twitch. You need to install Share Screen Recorder first. Run the program. Click this camera icon to record video and audio. You can turn on or off the audio from the system and microphone. Tap this plus icon to select capture area. You can change the size by dragging this frame, selecting the presetting resolution from the drop-down list, inputting value. Visit Twitch on a browser. Find a video that you want to download or record. Go back to Share Screen Recorder. Click this small gear to show more recording options. You can change the saving path output format. As you can see, there are many formats here. You can select the format from devices, HD video, web video, and general video. Click this gear to change the video's parameters and quality. You can also tap this option to change the quality. Change shortcut keys. Add a watermark with image. Preset a recording time. Show or hide cursor. Highlight the cursor if you need it. Highlight click. Go back to Twitch. Drag the frame to fit the video size. Now you can press the Start Recording button to begin the recording process. You can click pause to skip the unwanted part. Tap this scissors icon to trim the video. Finally, you can check the recording video on this tab. It allows you to rename the video. Trim video. Take snapshots.